I have here the TaoTronics ThorLite waterproof 325 lumen max flashlight. It comes with a hand strap, flashlight itself, an instruction manual, a replacement on button, and a protective case. To put the batteries in, you unscrew the top of the flashlight where the flashlight actually is. Put the plus side up, and you put the plus side up again. Then you screw it back. This flashlight can be used as a smaller flashlight and only use one AA battery. I'll show you how. Here you go. Here's me using the flashlight, showing how bright it is in my backyard. This flashlight has 3 settings. Here is the lowest setting. Here is the middle setting of brightness. And here is the brightest it can possibly go using 2 AA batteries. Here is the output and runtime. It can use 1 AA battery, 2 AA batteries, or one 14,500 battery cell.